Hey everyone! So in this video, I'm going to show you a profitable and beginner-friendly way to do copy trading, or social trading, with Pocket Option. If you're completely new, don't worry. I'll break everything down step by step so that you can start copying profitable traders and earning passive income right after watching this. If that sounds good, make sure to like this video. It really helps me out. And let's dive straight in. First, log into your Pocket Option account, or create a new one. Once you're in, make sure you're on a real account with some funds deposited. Even $10 is enough to start. Next, go to the Social Trading tab on the left side of your dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see a live list of traders and their recent performance. Now don't just randomly copy the first trader you see. The biggest mistake beginners make is chasing whoever looks profitable today. Instead, click on a trader's profile and analyze 3 key things. Win rate. Anything above 60% is decent. All-time profitability. Are they profitable over weeks or months, not just today? Consistency. Check custom date ranges, like the last 7 days or last month, to see if they're consistently winning. Here's a quick example. A trader might show plus $500 profit today, but when you switch to all-time, they're down $900. That's a red flag. Another trader might have a smaller profit, like, say, $749 total, but they've been consistently in the green for weeks. This is the type of trader you want to copy. Once you find a trader you like, just click Copy. But here's the golden rule. Start small. If that trader is trading $100 per trade, don't copy the full amount. Instead, copy 1% or 5% of their trade size. This means if they trade $100, you're only risking $1 to $5. Why? Because copy trading is a long-term game. You're testing consistency, not gambling on one day's performance. If they keep winning over time, you can gradually increase your copy percentage. Here's another pro tip, by the way. Copy multiple traders. Start off by copying like 4 or 5 traders with small amounts. After a week or 2, go ahead and check your results. Keep the ones that are consistently making profit. Remove the ones that are losing money, add new traders, and repeat the process. This rotation system honestly will help you build a portfolio of winning traders. And that's how you scale passive income safely. If you ever want to stop copying a trader, it's easy. Just go back to social trading, click on the profile, and hit Stop Copy. Also, set your balance stop loss. For example, stop copying if your balance drops below $10 to manage risk automatically. And that's it. That's exactly how you do profitable copy trading with Pocket Option. Start small, pick consistent traders, diversify across multiple profiles, and scale only after testing. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more trading strategies, and check the link in the description to start copy trading today.